BMW R1250 RT emergency key usage. The BMW RT comes with an emergency key. This is the emergency key. Now to use this, when you walk up to the bike and you've lost your keys, you put your keys somewhere, the battery doesn't work in the keys, one of those things. What you do is, when you try to turn it on, all you get is that red light. Red light. What you do is you take this key and you place it up here. And then it comes on. Then, as you can see, we have no key icon, or it can't find the key. We just pull in the clutch and it will start because we use the emergency key. But that is how you use the emergency key. Just to reiterate, emergency key. When I try and turn the power on, all I get is the red light. Oh. Well, in that case, it did actually come on. It's maybe because I already started it. Right, let everything go out. All right, let's try that again. Yeah, see, just the red light telling me that there is no key present. Take the key, you place it here, press the power button, and it comes on. And I'm able to start the motorcycle. But the icon, we have the warning triangle, and we have the key icon saying it cannot see the key. We'll just turn it off. So that's how, if you don't have your key fob, or you've misplaced your key fob, or your key fob battery is dead, and you have your emergency key with you, that is how you start the motorcycle.